Hello, everybody. It is January 30th here at the end of the month. We have one more day to go, and we're at a very critical time right now in the crypto market, especially with whatever's been going on with Bitcoin. So we're going to talk about Ethereum today, but just to show you what Bitcoin is having right now, we're at a very critical time, right? If I go to the 1 hour here to show what I'm talking about, so we did have that massive breakout out of this monthly long descending triangle we've been in. We broke above, went all the way up to the 38,500, maybe 600, went back down to retest, right? So usually after a breakout, you come back to retest and then you shoot right back up, right? And that's what it looks like from a technical standpoint. Bitcoin is trying to do. It looks like we went down, we found that. So the resistance line that have been resisting us for the last month now became a support along with the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA. We're seeing those long wicks at almost, every other candle where, just telling us that there's a lot of accumulation going on. It's an ascending triangle. The ceiling is very clear. We're resisting it right now. We're trying to break above it. We're at a very critical time. We're at the apex and it looks like Bitcoin is trying to break above this level. So now, this could be the level, but, to stay safe, we would say it's the 34,500. And Bitcoin is trying to break above that. And we're seeing that we are gaining that momentum as we go up. We're seeing that a lot of buyers are accumulating as this goes up. They're buying it at that discount, right, before something major happens. So Bitcoin needs to break above this level for us to find that continued momentum from a technical standpoint, for it to actually shoot right back up. And I think Ethereum right now is following suit, right? And Ethereum right now, if we're looking at the 1 hour, so we found that support. A lot of people start to accumulate, a lot of wicks to the bottom. Boom, that huge, massive run up. We go sideways for a bit, try to go down. Then again, we go down all the way up. Buyer said no. We bought it up again. Nice bullish candle. And right now, it looks like it is actually breaking as we speak. And I think this is actually very bullish. So something to keep in mind right now. I think Ethereum, if you go above here and close above it and actually continue for a bit above it, or maybe go up and then come back to retest it and follow Bitcoin, then we're definitely going to push back up to the all-time highs again. So very critical levels right now. We're having the same pattern that Bitcoin is having too, ascending triangle, just higher lows as we go up. And it looks like we did just break above right now. So we need to see some sort of, maybe if I go to the 10-minute here. Yeah, so we did break above, and now we're seeing that continued. It looks very bullish right now. So we need to see it staying above this, and it's probably gonna go up and come back to retest it. And there's the $1,380. That's the level we're talking about, and it looks pretty good right now, right? It looks like Bitcoin is trying to push. Ethereum is also following suit, and it looks like we are most likely going to head back down all the way up here. So these are the conditions we're looking at. It has to stay above. Also, Bitcoin has to stay above the level we just talked about. And once we stay above that, we're going to see continued uptrend, and it will look very nicely bullish. If not, if we see rejection right away at this zone, this is the zone we're in right now. This doesn't mean that it's 100% going to go up. But if we see Ethereum here staying above this zone for a while, for maybe 3-4 hours, and the zones between the 1,380 and the 1,384, then see, there we go. So there we go. So it's actually going back down right now. We need to see it staying above, right? We need to see it staying above. It's going to be a very violent reaction right now. We could go back all the way here to retest and go back up. Maybe we didn't reach that apex yet, but we're seeing that buyers are trying to drive it up. So we need to keep that in mind. It did break above. It has to stay above here for a while before we can assume that we're pushing back all the way up. So these are the conditions, right? From a technical standpoint, it looks very bullish. Is it going to stay above? That's what we need to ask ourselves. Never take it for granted. That's why you have stop losses. That's why you have risk management, because things could align fully, and the stars can align, but the price action decides different. The market decides different. So something to keep in mind. I just want to bring it to your attention. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I missed anything here in the price action. And please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And just stay tuned for the videos we're going to put today again. So thank you for watching.